Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna get right into the video. I'm gonna start off with some edge control. I'm going to put this all on my edges and then brush it back. You want to make sure you do this step because you do not want to give like the wig or the adhesive a chance to rip your edges out. It happened to me, so I know. And so I'm just making sure that it doesn't happen again. So I'm making sure that like I said, I put edge control on my edges and really smooth them back so that there are no flyaways or anything like that. And I just kind of have like a clean space to apply my wig without any flyaways. And yes, the faux head is on fleek today. So I am going to do the bald cap method for this install. And so I'm just applying my wig cap. And the first thing I like to do, I've seen some people do it differently. They cut the holes for the ears like after they apply the glue, but I like to do it beforehand so I can really get that glue right next to my sideburns. I've just found that that helps a lot, better for me. And then I just apply my Got To Be Glued spray, and I actually applied this twice. Which I probably didn't really need to, but whatever. Also, let me just go ahead and say this disclaimer before I really get started. I have only applied a frontal wig 3 times, okay? So, so if you see me struggling during the video, it's because I am, but don't judge me. Don't look at me crazy. Just trust the process. I'm still learning, so don't go too hard on me. But like I said, yeah, just trust the process because it turns out looking really good. And like I said, I'm still learning. I'm going to get better for you guys. And I want to do more frontal videos. So this is just one of many. So now that the spray is dry, I'm going to cut my wig cap, and I'm starting from the middle. That's just how I like to start it so that I can cut from either side. And I kept having to like pull the wig cap off my forehead, like because I applied the spray too far down, and so you can see right there, like I keep having to like pull it, and it was kind of hard to pull because I applied like 2 layers of the spray, which you really don't have to do. I just was being extra. And yeah, I'm just cutting around my forehead, and again, you guys are gonna see me like continuously like pull the wig cap and cut as needed because I don't need that much of my forehead covered. So right here, I'm just cutting any like piece that's out of place, any like piece of my wig cap that is sticking up, because I'm really trying to go for the bald cap method. So I just want to make sure that like it's like laying really flat, which is so funny because you'll see in the next clip it definitely is not bald, but it works. So you know what, that's all that matters. So this is kind of where I messed up. So I wanted to use a powder because I heard you're not supposed to use like liquid foundation on your wig cap, which I don't know how true that is, but I took their word for it and I went and tried to find a powder, but this was the only powder I had, and this is actually my bronzer, which is really dumb when you think about it, because why would your scalp be darker than your face? Didn't really think that through, but so yeah, but whatever. It did make my hairline a little bit dark, but I still think it looked good. I just know for next time not to do that. And I'm just grabbing a wipe so I can wipe off any of the excess glue and powder foundation or powder whatever. So now it's time to apply my wig, and this wig is from Beauty Forever. One problem I really do have with this wig is it's just too small. So like the frontal part, I have to like pull it so far down on my forehead. Like I'm pretty much covering like half my forehead right now, and like even still, like it doesn't stay very well. And you guys will see like in one of the next clips like me struggling to like tack it down and stuff. But yeah, right now I'm just making sure that it looks good, and it looks pretty good. So I don't know why I felt the need to also put the bronzer on the lace itself. Don't be like me, just don't do it. So now to apply the wig, I'm using the Hair Company Bold Hold Liquid Gold, And for some reason, I thought it was an awesome idea to use a Q-tip. Wasn't that genius? But I'm just applying that to my forehead, like right below where I put that wig cap. And I'm going to do like a couple layers, so this is just the first. But yeah, I do like this adhesive. I like how it gets tacky really fast, and it also, I like how it doesn't give me like crazy hold if I don't want it to. Okay, so now you're about to see what I'm talking about when I say be struggling with this wig, child. So whenever I put on like a wig, what I found to be best is to always start like at the top, like apply the top and then apply the sides. It just makes it so much easier, like in my opinion. But like what I was saying was this wig is super small, so like I would have to like really like pull it forward for it to stay. So you can see me right now, I'm just kind of pushing it into my skin so that it stays. So now that I have the top laid, I'm gonna do the sides now, and that is where the complicated part lied for me, because like I said, the wig was just too freaking small, and like you see here, I had to like pull like the sides in order for them to stay, and so there was just like a lot of tension. And so because the glue wasn't like 100% dry, when I would try to move on to the other side, like the opposite like side of the wig would come up, and so it was really just like a tedious process of me like pulling down the sides and the sideburns in order for them to stay. And I also did have to like constantly reapply glue to certain places, because like I said, there was so much tension that like the wig really had to be laid down for it to stay. So you guys will just see me, you know, play with the wig and kind of like try to fit it to my big head. And again, this is going to look crazy for a little minute, but just trust the process, okay? Just trust it. So one thing I learned is that using an elastic band is going to change your life. It is going to melt your lace, and it's going to help it to like really like lay. And yeah, this is going to be way better than using a scarf. And I just got this from my mom's sewing room, so you can really just get this from like Walmart or something. And then when I take it off, yes, we looking kind of crazy, but it's finally starting to lay. See? So I had used like so much glue that it got all on the baby hairs, and I can't do the baby hairs because they stuck like that. So I'm just trying to like brush out the glue, but it was just not working. So I'm going to show you guys what to do when that happens, and what to do if you just have excess glue on your forehead in general. So one tip that really helped me was to use witch hazel, or you can use rubbing alcohol too. I just didn't have any, but I'm taking some witch hazel and a Q-tip, and I'm using that to clean up any excess glue that got on my forehead. And when I tell you guys, this has just been so helpful for me, because like it really does make your frontal look so much cleaner and just nicer. You do want to be careful though, because you don't want to get any of the liquid on your forehead or on your frontal, I'm sorry, or else it could start lifting, and yeah, we just don't want that to happen. So just be really careful. What I did notice was my baby hairs were still super stiff because of the glue. So I actually did this on my little baby hairs too. You just want to be really careful. So you can see what I'm doing right now is I'm kind of like pulling the baby hair and then kind of like wiping the Q-tip on it. And just doing it lightly and making sure not to use too much liquid, and this really helped. So before I actually style my baby hairs, I'm gonna use a hot comb just to like make everything really smooth. I'm also gonna go ahead and like make my part and make sure that my part is like super flat before I do anything else. So that's just what I'm doing right now. So now we're back to the baby hairs, and all I'm doing right now is applying some mousse so I can shape them. Like I said, I've worn this wig 2 other times, so I've already like cut out some baby hairs. So for the most part, all I have to do is kind of shape them into what I want them to look like. But you guys are gonna see me, you know, cut out some more baby hairs to kind of customize it some more. So here's what it looked like when I was done, and I think it is so cute. I think I did a really good job. Yeah, I may be new to this, but I'm also true to this, okay? I'm just kidding. But but now I'm just gonna go ahead and just throw some curls in, and that's pretty much it. I'm using my flat iron. This is, I think, my Ion. It's called Ion. I'll have a link down below. But yeah, I just throwing some curls in it, and then that's pretty much it. So I'll just let y'all watch me do what I do. So yeah, here is the final result. I think this is so cute. I think I did a really good job, especially for me being new to the frontal game. I'm really like pleased with how this came out. And yeah, so I really think that I straighten the curls out a little bit, because you'll see in my next clip right here. Yeah, I probably did straighten them out a little bit, but either way, it's super cute. I really liked how this turned out. I cannot wait to do more wig videos for you guys, and actually let me know if you even want to see that, if you want to see more wig install videos from me. But yeah, other than that, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. And like I said, let me know how you like this, how you like my install, if you want me to do another one. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.